everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Your girl is coming on today to show you how I style my Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis for the fall. So here's a closer look at my fall bag, which today's video is sponsored by She Bags. So I'm gonna get into showing you how it came and all that good stuff. Okay, here we go. It came in this dust bag here. I love the dust bags, so you could store your bags in them while you're not using them and keep them nice and neat. It has the Louis Vuitton written right across the front. So let's take it out. And here it is, well packaged in plastic with the shipping. So I'm just going to remove the plastic. Girl, why is it so hard to tell me the truth? Okay, here we go. Looks very nice. Here's the back. And here's the side. So I'm just going to clean it up and come back and show you. Alright, here's the bag. Oh, look at the hardware. The hardware is very nice. And once again, here's the side. I like the reverse monogram that it has. I love it. That's the back. Here's the side. Here is the top. I love that this is in black. And there is a zipper with a pocket at the back. Lots of space in there. You can hold anything, your phone. And then here's the lock again at the front. So I'm just going to open it. Okay, it's giving me a little trouble. Pull one of the little knobs to the side and then it opens. There we go. Alright, and the monogram is contained inside. And there's 3 pockets, one here. Very spacious, as you could see. Then you have the middle one. Spacious again. And then you have the back pocket. Lots of space in there. And I love that the inside is black. There's no zipper pocket inside, but that's okay. There's lots of space. And the handle, you can't move it very far, but it's enough to get your hand in there. And here is the belt that it comes, and here is the strap that it comes with. And I love the gold hardware on the strap. Looks very nice. And it is adjustable. So you could wear it short or you could wear it long. Nice and long for crossbody. And it has these little tabs to help keep the strap in place. Okay, let me just add the strap to our bag. They just clip right in, so easy. Push it in, push that in, and there we go. And there it is with the strap. Very nice. I think it's a lovely bag for the fall. I love how it looks. And like I said, today's video is sponsored by She Bags. On their site, they have lots of lovely things for you to choose from. And if you're bougie on a budget like your girl, they are very affordable. Now let me share with you my fall look for this bag. OMG. So first I have it crossbody. Doesn't that look nice? OMG, I am in love with this bag. I love it. Doesn't it look nice? Paired with my fall jacket. I love how it looks crossbody. Very nice. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of my fall look. Do you like it? Am I bougie on a budget? Hey! What do you think? Don't you think it looks nice? Let me come closer so you can have a better look. Look at that. Look at that. Your girl is feeling herself. Yes, I am. The sun is just shining through my windows today, you guys. Can you see how bright the sun is? And it's a nice bag. It's very roomy. It holds a lot of stuff. And here it is on my shoulder. You don't have to wear it crossbody. You can wear it over your shoulder. And I have it on the longest length because I like wearing it long. You could make it shorter and wear it shorter if you like. And of course you can dress this bag up or you could dress it down. But I'll be using it for my fall bag this year. I love it. And here it is in my hand. With the strap up top, you have the option to just carry it in your hand also. So I have a link to SheBag down below in my description box, and I have a coupon code and everything like that down there for you guys. Just click on the show more or the arrow going down, opens up the description box, and you can see all that I have to share with you. And here I go again, crossbody with it, just with my sweatshirt and some black pants. I love how this bag looks. Very nice. And like I said, you're bougie on a budget like your girl, you'll love it too. It's a very nice bag. Alright you guys, once again is the Louis Vuitton Metis bag I have from SheBags. And then like I said, the links will be down below. Alright everyone, remember as always to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone. Baby, don't worry, nobody's claiming me unless it's you now. I'll pick you up, I gotta see you now.